Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 28th of December. And first of all, national news. Pakistani national caught trying to cross border in Gujarat, border security force. Supreme Court hearing on state laws regulating conversions due to interfaith marriages on January 2. Value education should be included in curriculum. President Draupadi Murmu. Terror attack averted. 15 kg explosive diffused in Jammu's Udhampur corps. CBSE Board Exam 2023 Class 10th 12th practical exams from January 2. Board issued guidelines. Election Commission initiated delimitation of constituencies in Assam. Yogi Adityanath defiant on reservation changes despite court setback. Cheating in exams, plague like pandemic, must be dealt with heavy hand. Delhi High Court. Centre giving full support to judiciary to resolve pending cases. Minister. Kerala sound flood warning as Mullaperiyar Dam water reach maximum limit. Right to repair online portal NTH mobile app more announced by Piyush Goyal. Union Health Minister Mandavia visited Safdarjung Hospital, reviewed COVID-19 mock drill. Bharat Biotech's intranasal COVID-19 vaccine to cost 800 for private markets. PM Modi's brother Prahlad Modi family members injured in car accident in Mysuru. Temperatures drop in North India, severe cold wave to hit Rajasthan. And now some international news. North Korea's weapons program defies COVID outbreak. UN urged Taliban to end unfathomable restrictions on women. 12 new arrested over Leicester violence post India-Pakistan cricket match. Serbs block roads in Kosovo. Serbia put army on highest combat alert. Chinese public showed mixed emotions about COVID-0 ending. Taiwan likely to make 1 year military service mandatory amid China threat. US interfering in internal affairs of Bangladesh, Russia on envoy's visit. Myanmar court to give final verdict in Aung San Suu Kyi trials on Friday. Russia foiled second drone attack by Ukraine on its military base. Ukraine must fulfill our proposals, otherwise army will decide. Russia. Ukraine's Zelensky said nearly 9 million people are without power. And now sports news. HS Pranoy regained career best world number 8 rankings. Lavlina Nikat won national boxing gold, Railways Club Team trophy. Cristiano Ronaldo subjected to political ban at FIFA World Cup 2022. Turkey President Recep Erdogan. Novak Djokovic backed in Australia a year after being deported. Ashley Gardner new number 1 in Women's T20 International All-Rounders ranking. Now news related to business. Sensex rallies for second straight day, rose over 360 points boosted by China reopening. And rupee plunged 21 paise to 82.86 per dollar on higher crude prices. Government debt rose by 1% to rupees 147 lakh crore in Q2, Finance Minister reported. Pension fund regulator proposes UK-like pension scheme for gig workers. Birth of new unicorns dropped by nearly half this year, a report said. Government's new data protection bill to hit investments in data centers. Government's key priorities in 2023 will be implementing labor reforms, social security. News from science and technology. James Webb Space Telescope captured the glowing bright heart of a galaxy. Researchers identify insidious new way COVID-19 virus uses to invade cells. 2 potentially habitable Earth-like planets discovered around a star near the Sun. And that's all in news. Thank you.